Hey guys, this is my 2009 Mini Cooper, and that year they actually had you can actually put a hitch on the back. And I bought mine used and it came with a hitch, and there was a video where I had to take that hitch off and paint it up and fix all the rust on it. So I made an attachment to attach to the hitch. Let me show you. So first, you have that cover. Me talk about that. You get the cover. And actually on my cover, I had to buy a replacement because the one that came with it was gone because I bought it used. And didn't want to lose this cover because actually it costs about 30 bucks, 20, 30 bucks if you get one of these replacements. So what I actually did is I put a tether on it. So first of all, so that way it doesn't fall off. And I bought one of these things that goes onto the receiver of the hitch, basically, which allows you to lock it in, and then that way it doesn't just fall off and I end up losing the whole thing. So there's the receiver, which is 1¼ inch receiver, and actually I have another video that shows I put on some backup sensors, but so there's my 1¼ inch receiver. And my neighbor was throwing out a one of those carriage things that go on the back of a car, but that carriage had a 2½ inch that would go into a receiver. So I had to mod that. So let me show you. So this was the 2½ inch pipe that was on that carriage in the back. These were the 4 bolts that bolt the carriage on the back, and this is the hole that goes into that locks it into the receiver that's on the hitch. So basically I took this off. I bought some 1¼ inch stock from a local metal place that sells little quantities, and you can actually buy these plastic caps on the end. Got those on the internet. You get a whole bunch, 10 of them for not much. And so I basically used this as a template to drill my new holes. I just lined it up to the bottom, and when you do that, they'll end up centering in the middle. And then drilled from the other side, clamped it all together, drilled from the other side, and got my holes, same size holes as these. So basically when I finished, I stripped the paint off the old one carriage, and I painted it back up, and had some, let me show you. So this is what it looks like in the end. I stripped the paint, primed it, painted it, got some new bolts. The old bolts were rusted. I had some fishing pole holders, so I drilled some holes on the side, added 2 on each side. So basically I'm going to use this as my fishing gear when I go fishing on the back of the Mini. So I'll show you what it looks like on the Mini. So here's the Cooper with the fishing hitch that I made, or actually saved from the dump, and painted it up with the fishing poles, cooler in the back. Kind of cool. I actually made these extra long, so it allowed me to put a little to be able to tie them down, the fishing poles, so I don't lose them on the highway. So you leave them a little bit long, so that way you have some place to hook them on. So there it is. You can get these reflective stickers, put some here, put some here. Get those at Home Depot, and that's what it looks like. So I hope this inspires you to, if you have a hitch, to go ahead on your Mini Cooper to make a fishing hitch if you like fishing, and go out there and have some fun.